What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to add another email account on the Yahoo mobile app. Now if you have multiple Yahoo accounts like I do, this is super helpful so you don't have to go logging out and logging in to every single account you own, and you could just switch back and forth when you're inside of the app and get the notifications for both accounts as well. And once you're in the app and at the home screen here, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the little Yahoo logo in the upper left hand corner there, and then about 4 options down on this menu you're going to head into settings, and then the top option on this screen of the settings is manage accounts. You're going to click on the manage accounts function. And then once you manage your accounts here, you can see the account that I'm already logged into. And then right below it, there is a blue text saying account info. And then right below that, there is an add account button with a plus right next to it. You're going to click on that button right there. And then you could go ahead and hit continue again. And it's going to take you to this separate browser where you have to sign into your Yahoo account. And you basically just go forward with the steps. It's pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, if you already signed into one Yahoo account, you know how to sign into the second one. So you just go through those steps, and then you will have 2 Yahoo accounts logged in at the same time that you could switch back and forth on. That is pretty much all there is to it though. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.